Hi everyone, this is Rob and Mal. Welcome to the Traveling Canfields. We're a couple that loves to travel and thought it'd be fun to share our experiences with you. Admittedly, vlogging is a little new to us, so please be kind, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button for future content. In this video, we've combined both of our visits to the Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. It was a great time, everyone. Lots of fun. We went on all the rides that we wanted to go on. We checked out the 50th anniversary merchandise. Mal had her heart set on the 50th anniversary years, and they just were sold out everywhere. So, unfortunately, it was not in our cards to get them this year. We had lots of great food. Something new was the 50th cavalcades. It was a nice change, but ultimately it left us wanting a little bit more. We liked the Festival of Fantasy obviously better, and the cavalcades were kind of short. They seemed to only last, it felt like a minute or two max. They might have been longer, it just felt short.
Right, we're at Cosmic Rays and we have lunch. So Mal got a burger and fries. She's not eating the bun because she's doesn't like the bun. And I got a Greek salad without the olives because olives are nasty. And a Coke Zero. Yeah. Yeah. And our son Robert got French fries and chicken nuggets, chicken strips.
Three dishes, Rob.
I took a bite.
Look, they put his in three.
So they said the salad dressing was going to be on it. It looks like it's not. So
He didn't give you any?
no.
So we're gonna use ABC commissary tomorrow.
Yeah, I gotta put salad dressing on this. Oh, it's dry.
What?
We paid $5,000 per person.
What did you guys think of Slinky Dog?
What'd you get?
Was
I
it worth?
enjoyed it.
Was it worth Genie Plus?
I guess so, because if we didn't do Genie Plus, we wouldn't have won on it. Because
True.
the 2-hour wait. That ride to me is not really like that thrilling anyway. So
Yeah, but it's such a cute
I
ride.
could have like passed it up, honestly.
The little kids in front of me were having the time of their life.
It's not like Flight of Passage where I have to go on it. It's like, okay, well, it's available. I'll go on it. Nice.
Really? No, that's how I feel about the alien swirling saucers.
That's definitely how I feel about aliens. Minus
But
the-
I enjoy Slinky Dog.
Minus
That.
the-
What?
What did you get here?
I use shrimp tacos.
There's one over here on the left.
What? Oh, the video.
Buffalo chicken grilled cheese sandwich. Tacos. Ooh, Mediterranean style. That's what I got last time.
That's why you're eating the salmon.
Because it's good for you.
Don't you get tired of it? Why'd it go black?
Look at the sides because it conserves battery when you know you're recording for a long time. So the screen goes black, but it's still recording.
Robert! What was your favorite part so far?
Chocolate mousse. Favorite part today?
Oh, I forgot I wanted the chocolate mousse. Get that too.
Should I get it?
Yeah.
My favorite part might be the chocolate mousse. Alright, we're good?
Yeah. What did you order?
Mediterranean style. The last time I got it was insane. Be good.
Did you get a dessert? Are we sharing these?
Yeah.
Oh. It said from the reviews, Disney Food Blog reviewed it, and they said that it was a really heavy dessert. Or not heavy, they said rich. Yeah. Are you mobile ordering here?
Wow, we walked.
This line has not gone down at all today. So many people. Robert, what are you gonna get for lunch?
A cookie,
What kind of cookie?
a blondie,
Oh, you're getting the blondie?
glimmer and shimmer blondie.
Where do you get that from?
Rock bottom splits.
That's fun.